guys, it's Christy and welcome back to my channel. So this video is gonna be my survival kit for back to school, and a survival kit is basically all non-school related, a lot of personal hygiene stuff that you should be carrying to school, especially if you have really long school days. Although you might not use these things on a day-to-day basis, it's really good to have for emergencies so you don't have to run to the nurse's office to grab like pads or something. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys everything that I put in my survival kit for school. So my survival kit is this bag right here, and this is a really old bag that I got from Forever 21 a long time ago. I like to keep it in a bag so that it's more organized, it's not all over the place, not all over my backpack. It's not going to be hard to find things. Also, it's a really good idea if you like to switch bags for school, which I really like to do. It's a lot easier to transfer things back and forth when you switch between bags. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Okay, so the first thing I have is a chapstick, and girl, you do not want to go to school with chapped lips. It's just so uncomfortable, especially if you have a long day of school and you're just sitting there just messing around with your lips, and it just doesn't feel good, and it brings my mood down a lot. So I carry this Tarte Tinted Lip moisturizer. I don't know. There's barely any color, and there's like a light shine to it. This is what I like to wear on a day-to-day basis. I don't really like to wear a lot of color on my lips. I don't like to wear crazy lipsticks. So it's really nice to have this to keep your lips moisturized. Next, I have some lotion. Again, same as the dry lips. Having really dry hands is really uncomfortable too. I can't comfortably take notes with dry hands. I know I'm being really extra, but it's really nice to have lotion to stay moisturized. I feel like lotion is the main thing that I go for in this bag, and sometimes when I forget to bring it, I always ask my classmates for lotion, and a lot of them don't carry lotion. Since I also wash my hands a lot during school, it takes away a lot of that moisture as well, so it's good to bring that moisture back with lotion. Besides lotion, I also like to carry hand sanitizer because sometimes you don't have time to run out to wash your hands if you're touching something sticky. I don't have hand sanitizer in here right now. I used it all, so I need to restock it. But hand sanitizer is probably the #1 thing that you should be carrying in your school survival kit. I also really like to carry wet wipes. And wet wipes take care of a lot of sticky situations that hand sanitizer probably can't take care of. For me personally, I have touched a lot of crazy, nasty things on the table, underneath the table. I don't know what it is, but it always makes my hands super sticky. And wet wipes always come in really handy if you can't run to the restroom right away. Besides wet wipes, I also really like to carry tissues, and tissues are a lifesaver. Since fall is coming up, winter is almost here, people are gonna be getting sick. I'm gonna be getting sick. I always have the sniffles, or if you have allergies, it's a really good idea to carry tissues. I was one of the students who hated to disrupt class, so I would never ever walk all the way up to the teacher's desk to grab a tissue to blow my nose. I had to carry my own pack of tissues so I don't have to walk up there, have people looking at me while I blow my nose. It was just awkward for me, so it's really good to have a pack of tissues. We also have some more personal hygiene stuff like deodorant. There are days where I run out of the house so fast that I probably don't even change my clothes and, you know, don't put on deodorant. So when I get to school, it's just like, oh my god, I forgot to put on deodorant. It's a good idea to carry deodorant to school. Especially this one. It's so small, it looks like a little lip balm, and I recently got it. Since it's so small, it's just so easy to carry around. And besides deodorant, I have some body spray. And body spray is a really good idea for students who have PE. During high school, PE was my first class. And then I had to go through 6 other classes after. So it kind of sucked, but having body spray really helped freshen me up. And along with the wet wipes, you can use wet wipes to like wipe any nasty stuff off of you, and then use body spray to freshen yourself up. So the next thing in my bag, I have a hairbrush. And I think I got this one from Sally's Beauty Supply. I remember having these as a kid, and I would love them so much. It's just so cool. It has a mirror on the other side, and the other side is a brush. It's just so compact and cute. This is also a really good idea to carry because if you're like me and you just run out of the house late all the time, usually I don't brush my hair. And then when I reach school, I realize, wow, I look like a mess. I pull out my brush, I brush my hair real quick, and then I run into class. Since we're also on the topic of hair, I also carry bobby pins and hair ties. I always have a hair tie on my wrist but in case if I were to ever forget, I have a couple of hair ties for emergencies. The next thing in my bag, I have a small bag of cough drops, and cough drops are hands down one of my biggest lifesavers of all time. I don't know why, but when I'm in class and my throat is itchy, I just cough non-stop, and it is annoying, and I feel bad for annoying my classmates, but I'm always like every 2 minutes, and I have to hold it back, and when I hold back my cough, I start tearing up, and it's horrible. So that is why I decided to start carrying cough drops with me, because these hold back my coughs like crazy. They really help so much. The next thing in my bag are oil blotting sheets, and these ones are from YesStyle, and they are so much cheaper than other brands, and they work just as well. Obviously, if you're not really an oily person, you don't have to carry this, but it's a really good idea to carry this, especially if you have PE classes or if you work out before class. It's good to take the excess oil off of your face. So the next thing I have are band-aids and alcohol pads, just in case if you were to ever hurt yourself in school, or if your classmates were to hurt themselves, you can pull these out and help them. We're almost done here. I only have a couple more things. Next, I bring Advil for headaches or for cramps. So last things in my bag are all feminine care, and I'm talking about tampons, liners, and pads. I usually carry more when I know that I'm on my period, but these are basically just for emergencies, not only for me, but for any other girls in my class. I always got you. But that's basically it for my school survival kit. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. It's always a good idea to come prepared for school. Obviously you don't have to carry this much if you don't like to carry a lot of things to school, but I personally have really long school days, so I really like to come prepared. For shorter school days, I don't really carry a lot of things, so I wouldn't carry this much. I would just carry my essentials like my chapstick and my hand sanitizer, maybe my lotion. So hopefully this video will help you create your own school survival kit based on what your needs are. And that's basically it for this video, and I'll see you guys really soon in my next video. Bye!